In this next QuickPlumb video, we're going to demonstrate how to add a manifold to the water distribution system. First, I'm going to draw my water service where it enters the building and click OK, and then make 45-degree connections until I get to the wall that's going to house my manifold. Now I've terminated that pipe in the wall. Now I'm going to click on the text entry icon and scroll down to the word riser. And then I'm going to place my cursor over the end of the pipe, centered in the wall where I would like to put my riser. That riser is going to be the first part of the manifold. Now I go into side view and I can see my riser here. I'm going to go ahead and begin branching off of that to create a manifold. I'm going to switch to 1/2-inch pipe because I want 1/2-inch T's coming off of this manifold. Now I've got my first one done. I'm going to just I'm just going to mouse down up there and I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it all the way down till it bottoms out on the other pipe. And I'm going to do that. So if I want to, say I want a 6-port manifold, that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 ports coming out of the side and 1 coming out of the top. That would be a 6-port manifold T. So there it is. Now I can begin extending these branches. Let's see, I want to go back to 1/2-inch here. I can begin extending these branches back into the slab. And as long as I use 45-degree turns, it's not going to try to add fittings in the slab. It's going to assume that my PEX or my Uponor can bend and create those turns or changes in direction. So there's that one, and I can extend as many as I want into the slab. So there's 2 of them. Now I go back to plan view and I can see these pipes are right up under the wall there. An easy way to connect to those pipes is, let's go to side view. I want to look at those pipe numbers. Let's select view pipe numbers, and I can see the one I want is going to be pipe number 5. That one right there. So in plan view, I right click on my fixture, I select connect water supply, cold water, and I want to scroll down to pipe number 5. Now since this is a, let's try that again, right click, cold water, I'm going to move it over here, scroll down to 5. Now I've got a bunch of 5s because it's divided up into segments. So I'm just going to scroll through those 5. There it is. You can see that it turned green over there in the drawing, and I'm going to click on connect. And so when we go to side view, we can see that it made that connection. Okay, now plan. And let's say I want to connect the washer to the other one. I'll just right click on the washer, connect cold water supply. Let's move this over here. And I can also just hover over the pipe that I want to connect. So let's hover over that one there. That's pipe number 12. So with that selected, I'll click on connect. And there we have our connection to pipe number 12. Let's take a look at that. And yes. Now this one here, if I wanted to connect to this one, let's try that. Let's just undo that connection. Let's go to view pipe numbers, and this pipe here is pipe number 3. So what I'll do is I will go back to plan view, right click on the washer, connect water supply, cold water, and I think I want pipe number 3, and I want to connect to that segment right there, and I want to connect to the end of 3. So there we go. Now let's take a look at that in 3D. So we see what we have here. Now you might want to also, let's see, this is the one we want here. No, I think that's it there. Yeah. We might also prefer to do a 45-degree connection. That way it's not going to generate any fittings in the slab. So now what we can do in that case is just mouse down on the fixture and mouse up on the end of that pipe, and there we have it. Now let's take a look at that in 3D. So those pipes are not going to generate a fitting in the slab. Of course, that one there will. That's a T. So we might want to change that arrangement there. So we could change that by going to side view and just bring that right on over and to here, and then go to the plan view, right click on the fixture, connect water supply, cold water to, and it's going to be, well, I already know it's going to be, let's see, there it is. Well, let's hover over it. That's it right there. Just click and it connects. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, this is above the slab, so we don't mind the fittings so much. Okay, hope this helps.